Hi friends, so this is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to have your Mac announce the time automatically. The key to enhancing productivity or getting your work done faster and efficiently is to manage your time smartly. If you're not able to keep track of your time and stay in sync with it, there is a good chance you may find yourself running late and get lost in too many pending tasks. Thankfully, there is a neat time tracking macOS feature that allows you to have your Mac announce the time automatically. That said, let me show you how to set up and use it the right way. First and foremost, click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the user interface and then choose System Settings in the drop-down menu. After that, scroll down and then select Control Center in the sidebar. Then head over to the menu bar only section and click on the clock options. In the pop-up window that shows up, scroll near the bottom and then turn on the toggle right next to announce the time. To the right of interval, you can use the drop-down box to choose how often you want to hear the time. After that, you can choose hourly, every half hour, or on the quarter hour depending on your needs. After that, select Customize Voice below the interval section. Then you can use the drop-down list next to Voice to pick a preferred option. To review additional voices, scroll down and choose Manage Voices. You can then use the play icon to hear a voice and the download icon to install it. After that, click on OK when you finish. To adjust how fast or slow the voice speaks, check the box for Use Custom Rate, then drag the slider right or left to increase or decrease the speed. To set the volume for the time announcement, check the box for Use Custom Volume, then drag the slider right or left to increase or decrease the volume. And when you are done, select Play to hear a sample of your selections. You can then make further adjustments or click on OK to save the changes. And finally, click on Done, and that's pretty much it. From now onwards, you will hear your Mac tell you the time in your preferred voice and intervals. So that's how you can easily have your Mac announce the time automatically in macOS Sonoma or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.